Hello, I'm Dudley Thompson, and we are here along Mahoe Drive, where earlier reported a broken underground pipe right beside the walls of most of 6 communities. We can now say Water Commission and team came and effect repairs to the broken main here along Mahoe Drive earlier today. As you can see, water no longer running along Mahoe Drive as the section has been repaired. Yes, they came earlier. This is where they worked earlier. We were doing the live press conference on the coronavirus while the work was taking place earlier since evening. So again, as staff told the Water Commission, they came and repaired the broken pipe here along Mahoe Drive. I'm Dudley Thompson for Roots FM News and also WDT Media TV. Feel free to like, share and subscribe, and thanks in advance.